this up so carefully. A fragile dream for you and me. Every word you spoke felt true. I believed it was forever, me and you. But now it shatters with the slightest breeze, a glance, a touch, and we're on our knees. It's all so fragile, a fleeting glow, like a bubble, too afraid to let it go. We're just bubbles in the rain, floating high then gone again, caught in storms we couldn't face, chasing moments we can't replace. You were the flame I couldn't hold. Now we're breaking, breaking, breaking cold. Just bubbles in the air, drifting free. A love so fragile, it wasn't meant to be. You told me it's fine, but you walked away, left me with silence and words to decay. Pieces fell faster than we could grasp. Promises shattered like fragile glass. I tried to gather what we let fall, but love wasn't there, just shadows and walls. We're lost in the winds of what we once knew, like bubbles in the sky, fading from view. We couldn't hold on, it slipped through our hands, a fleeting touch we couldn't understand. The light we had faded too fast, a fragile dream that couldn't last. We're just bubbles in the rain, floating high then gone again, caught in storms we couldn't face, chasing moments we can't replace. You were the flame I couldn't hold. Now we're breaking, breaking, breaking cold. Just bubbles in the air, drifting free. A love so fragile, it wasn't meant to be. We're just bubbles in the memory, echoes of what we thought we'd be. Fragile, fleeting, lost in time, a love that slipped through the cracks of rhyme. Just bubbles in the rain, fading away, a fragile dream that couldn't stay. Just a bubble, just a bubble.